There's growing concern across Asia as the Wuhan pneumonia outbreak continues to spread. A second person has died in China, and Thailand has reported its second case of the mysterious virus. Authorities across the region are taking extra precautions ahead of the Chinese New Year travel season. Hundreds of thousands of Chinese tourists are expected to visit Thailand during the holidays. And our Thailand correspondent Saksir Sarasamba takes up the story from Bangkok.
According to a statement by Thailand's Public Health Ministry, the second patient is a 74-year-old woman from Wuhan in China, and she has been detected on January 13th at Bangkok's Suvarnabhumi airport with very high fever, 38 degrees Celsius, and pneumonia-like symptoms. But she has been put under isolation, but she's already responding well to the treatment, according to the health officials here. Now, this comes after the first case that has been reported earlier this week in Thailand, which is also the first case of the Wuhan coronavirus outside of China. Similar circumstances as well. It is also an elderly Chinese woman here as well, 61 years old to be precise, but she is already well reportedly, and it's just a matter of time until she's ready to go home already. Now, obviously, with the Chinese New Year just around the corner, Thai health officials remain on high alert. In the first 2 weeks of this year, they have already checked 86 flights from Wuhan in China, all in total a number of 13,624 passengers. They have found 21 suspected cases, but they only turned out to be the seasonal flu. 12 of these people have been already discharged. Tourism remains a vital economic factor here in Thailand, even though arrival numbers have slightly flatlined in the past year. Nevertheless, it is expected that hundreds of thousands of Chinese tourists come here to Thailand for the Chinese New Year, and that's why the Thai health officials have ramped up health monitoring, health checks at several major airports here in Thailand. They include Bangkok's Don Mueang and Suvarnabhumi Airport. They include Chiang Mai in the north of Thailand, as well as Phuket and Krabi in the south. Now, the Public Health Minister Anutin Charnvirakul, he said that there is no outbreak here in Thailand, and he also says the fact that they have found these patients with the Wuhan coronavirus is proof that the system they have put in place here is indeed working. Saksir Sarasamba, CNA, Bangkok.
Reports of patients suffering from a mysterious illness in Wuhan came out in late December. The outbreak has been linked to a seafood market in the city.
But even after the market was shut on 1st of January, new cases of the virus appeared, and more than 40 cases have been diagnosed in Wuhan city.
By January 9th, Chinese health authorities said the outbreak was caused by a new coronavirus from the same family as SARS. 2 days later, the Wuhan pneumonia claimed its first victim.
And earlier this week, Thailand reported the first coronavirus case outside of China. Japan has also reported a case in Tokyo, which tested positive for the illness.
Experts are still trying to understand how the virus spreads. Officials say the risk of human-to-human transmission is low, but possible.